After a wonderful breakfast prepared by our Slovenian friends, we bid them farewell. And yes, even said goodbye to our friend Adolf. Our journey took us to the Hotnitsa Waterfall.
We are in Bulgaria.
However, the adventure took an unexpected turn when Amarian had a little run-in with a local cat.
I just rinse it off in the stream. It's clean. It's clean from the green. That's right.
Hello.
Добрен.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Hotnitsa in Bulgaria.
Bulgaria, a country that has transformed beyond its communist past, now shines as a Balkan gem known for breathtaking natural beauty. Internationally famous for its rose production, Bulgaria's roses are used in some of the world's finest perfumes, adding a sweet fragrance to its cultural identity. The capital, Sofia, is a vibrant city that reflects both ancient heritage and modern charm. Since the 1960s, Europeans have flocked to Bulgaria's Black Sea coast to soak up the sun and scenic coastline. Join us as we dive into one of Bulgaria's hidden treasures, Hotnitsa Waterfall, on our latest adventure.
Yeah,
After
finally.
all the breakdowns,
Multiple. I can't how many? 9, 8, 9, 10. And we've still had a few
it's been
in
unbelievable.
Bulgaria. The biggest thing for we've not had internet for a few days.
Yeah.
So uploading videos have not been as regular as it should be.
Yeah.
But that comes with the territory of travelling.
Oh my God, this has been the first time actually. You saying that? It's been the first time that we've actually not uploaded on our normal schedule.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God, I've literally been tearing my hair out. It's been a nightmare.
Anything past Austria, really, I think went downhill, Serbia, Hungary, in terms of the internet, not the country.
No.
The countries are beautiful, by the way.
Yeah.
But it went downhill in terms of finding location where we had to stop and get internet. So we're back in Bulgaria and we're back.
And it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Never disappoint. And as Chris was saying earlier, the place is very natural. So compared to like Croatia, which is, by the way, stunning.
Amazing.
You guys have got to go there. This place is more natural. So you've got nature and it's all in its like perfect form. It's not been like really, how can I put it,
it's not been
affected
messed
or
with at all.
messed around with.
Yeah.
It's just
It's
all
very
normal.
organic.
Yeah, organic. That's the word.
Even the parks are natural. They're not being like, you know, you go to parks in the UK, Germany, or probably in Netherlands. It's all been manicured.
Yeah.
It's rocks just there. The same rock that fell 2,000 years ago is still that same place. It's still sunny in the daytime, but very cold at night. But it's still gorgeous.
Yeah. We went to like -1 one night, didn't we?
-2.
-2, yeah, which was freezing.
One thing about Bulgaria is something.
What have you done?
Mario's been bitten by a kitten.
Okay, I'm back. Yes, we had to clean up his finger.
Yeah, he
got
got
bitten by a cat.
by a kitten.
Oh, it's a kitten.
Yeah. Yeah.
In a few places, because kids, they do not listen, and whilst you're traveling, they see all these little cute animals. Oh, I want to touch it, and then it just does something silly.
Yeah.
Anyway, he's all good. We've wrapped it up, put some pseudo-creme on it, and yeah, carry on. We're gonna go up some hill, up some stairs.
Attempt to.
Attempt to see what's up there. If we don't see much, well, at least you've got this beautiful view.
Can be, is it?
I don't know what it says.
Yeah.
I don't know what it says.
Yeah.
I'm just wondering if you...
No, you can go up there, but you have to be careful. You see some bits are a bit worn there, but you can go up there.
Is that a good
Walkable.
Yes, we got up to the top one.
Yeah, that's what they said, yeah. You can go up there. It's about, I think they said about 20 minutes walk all the way up. And then you see a lot. When you get up there, there's a lot to see.
Go slow.
Yeah.
But you can do it. You can do it stairs.
You guys got an accent. Are you from America?
United States.
Ah, cool.
Virginia.
Why did you come to
Bulgaria?
I found a really good airfare.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, from New York to Belgrade on Air Serbia, and then Air Serbia to Sofia.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is it first time in Bulgaria?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah. Every year we go
Somewhere.
wherever
Somewhere different.
we can find a good airfare.
Yeah.
So,
It's a beautiful country, isn't it? So much. If you like this stuff, there's so
yeah,
much.
Nature.
and it's just so old, ruined.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
There's
beautiful.
So much, yeah, but it's. Have you been down to the coast yet, the Black Sea?
Oh yes,
Yeah.
yes. We flew into Sofia, went to Plovdiv, then to Burgas and Varna, all Black Sea, and then here, and then we're going south. I don't know, and then to the Rose Museum, and then to Sofia. Well, we were in Burgas, and we noticed, and Plovdiv, Greece and Turkey.
Just down the road, literally.
Yeah, it wasn't far, but we just,
Yeah,
So
no,
whereabouts
it's not
in the
far.
US are you guys from?
Virginia.
Virginia, cool.
Virginia Beach.
Okay,
Oh, wow.
cool.
Just south of Washington, D.C.
Cool, okay.
Grew up in another country.
Where was it?
We like to tell
Canada.
American
And traditional Bulgarian food.
Well,
Uno's
show
very
you.
good price. Uno.
Well, just for the food is good.
It's
So we went to
where's the cost?
we went to this one. That was good.
Also,
And-
you went to one, Chris.
And we
Ego?
went to this one. So we just have
Do you
one.
mind a little drive?
Oh,
5
Ego.
minutes?
Ego's good. You went there, didn't you?
Ugo.
Ego. You went
Ego's
there.
right.
By the time we get
Yeah, that
home,
was
by the
next
time we
door,
get to
then-
the apartment, we're exhausted.
Right,
we just
okay.
walked.
Ego is next door to this one.
It's
Oh,
on the main
Ego is
road,
good.
on the main road.
Oh,
and then
yeah.
that's what I
We
said.
ate at the restaurant next door to it.
Oh, is
Yeah,
that-
that's good. Ego's
Is
good.
that
Yeah.
a pizza place?
No, it does everything.
I think they do
Pizzas,
everything.
do chips, do other different Bulgarian dishes.
Oh.
And the prices are really good.
But also, we went to one called Uno, which is by a park. Where's the park?
What map say?
Oh,
Where's the castle?
we're up here.
That's the castle there,
Castle
right?
there.
So,
Yeah, so it goes there and it's just up here.
Oh, yeah.
you don't want to go that far.
Yeah.
Okay, Ego's the
But the
best.
food's nice,
Ego's the
yeah.
best place then. If you want to stay local.
It's Eco 3 and Eco 4. Which one?
Oh, you see, when you go, it's got the door, it's got the pictures, and you go straight in. It's
No,
a
Dad
beautiful
went.
restaurant. It's not, it's,
Yeah, with
the
James.
price is very good as well.
Is it?
Oh, they got 2 minutes.
Where's the High Street? So, where are we? Where's the main
Yeah.
High Street? Where? We've left the UK. We've ended up in Bulgaria. How can that be a fast? We're still driven.
I think they just want it to be plain sailing and just want it to just be all
Exactly.
straightforward.
Yeah, no.
But no adventures
actually,
that
no,
way.
we do actually.
Yeah, we do.
That
but
was a plan to
as
be.
much as we'd love it to be that way.
The plane, we didn't go to plane, and the sailing bit, we hadn't done much of that because the car's broken, so that's what it is.
Yeah.
It's not plain sailing.
No.
And yeah, like I said, the whole adventure thing is not just being the boat car, even though it primarily is, but we are
That you're doing that US thing again, primarily.
primarily.
We just met some Americans, by the way.
I know, that's for why. I've been
And yeah, they're
influenced.
from Virginia.
Yeah.
And yeah, they were explaining to us what their place was like, and they were over here for the first time for 19 days. It's actually quite a long time to be over
That's
here.
quite good, nearly a month, yeah. It's an adventure. And boat car adventures, we're still a boat car. We haven't travelled anything else, so it's exactly what it is.
Yep.
Boat car adventures.
Car and boat.
Yeah.
So if we don't get to go on the water,
We're gonna be driving.
we will be in the car.
Yeah, exactly.
So don't just expect the water,
All the
also expect the car.
Yeah.
Okay?
And travelling. So it's not just about the journey, it's what we do within the journey. This time it's gone a bit pear-shaped, a lot of it because things have gone wrong with the car. A lot more, and they've been silly little things, by the way. I've got to say, none of them been serious, just been breaking down at the wrong inconvenient times in the wrong countries,
Yeah.
in the wrong places where we can't get help and we can't get repaired. And it's silly little stuff. I
Yeah.
don't want to go for it, but it's annoying when you know if I had the tools with me, I would have sorted these problems.
And that was one of our problems. Our space was very, very limited.
And
because
weight.
we came with 3 kids and a very small boat car.
We have a gross weight of about 400 kilograms
It's
in the
not a
car.
lot.
We'd probably take about 500. So it's done really well to get us here in one piece, and the engine's running first. Anyway, boat car adventure is exactly what we do. We're going to be travelling around the boat car and show you different places and show you what we see.
Yeah, right. So we're going to head up there, as we said, up some little steps which are very rackety and looking all wrong. We're going to show you anyway, so we'll keep you posted. Guys, Mari's hand, let's see. We've had to do a little...
Electrical tape.
What did we tell you, Mari?
To always let cats bite you.
Do not make cats bite you. Okay, let's go, because we've got 14
the friendly
steps.
boy. Oh, is that the kitten there?
Where?
Is that a little kitten?
Yeah.
That the one?
Yeah.
I thought it was a tiger the way you had it back. It's a tiny little thing.
Where is it?
there,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
on
Oh, yeah, it is as well.
That's probably the mum.
Little bugger.
That's probably the mum came back to say sorry.
I know, probably. Oh, look.
Mum probably say, what are you doing?
I know.
And the great friends here.
Right, so these are the stairs that we were talking about. They go, you all right? Just be careful, just go slow, don't worry.
I mean, probably need proper walking shoes for this word.
Them not all right, go on.
Yeah, I know, but it's still, those shoes are not ideal for this. I ain't got the grip. Doing the kind of stuff.
But you go in front, Pat.
No,
Because
just go in
I'm
case.
going to be behind anyway.
All right then. I've got to be in case all you man.
Yeah, I'm here. That's it, go on. Just hold on, that's it.
You need to come repair to sort this out.
That's it.
Oh, right.
It is like
I know, it's like, I know, can you imagine?
we had to go backwards.
Come down.
Down some of the...
Yeah.
Oh, right. So what's at the top? You can't see much. You have to go further.
Yeah, we went as far as we could, and we were like, no more.
Yeah.
It's like a narrow path.
Yeah, no.
All right, we won't bother.
No, we'll bother this time.
We'll go up. We'll go up here though. We'll go up here.
I know someone did say it's very sketchy.
Yeah.
I've heard it's kind.
And guess how old we are?
76.
Oh my God.
You're good.
Yeah.
I am 76.
Really?
Yes.
But you look really good.
But you do look very good though. Very good for your age.
You'll never guess this because we're.
Well, it's a birthday thing, but
It's a birthday.
Is your birthday today?
No.
we're
But we have the
1
same
year,
birthdays.
Same birthday.
Oh right.
Exactly a year apart.
Older or younger?
I'm 1 year old.
Oh right. Okay. Yeah. 77 then.
You look
My
so
creases.
good.
No. No.
Really carried out safe driving. I'm a killer. One thing you do in Bulgaria is when you're in Bulgaria, it's very important to support the local shops, not the big shops, not the Koflers, not the Lidls, who are clearly taking over the place. You come to the local people and you buy and support the locals. That's very important, especially in a country like Bulgaria, because they rely on you. And also, you're eating local, fresh produce, which are not being sprayed or got chemicals or grown any other way other than naturally. So just want to show you where we're buying our food. So you've got everything from apples, different types of apples, potato, you've got turnip, garlic, onions, and they also sell lots of pickles. Well, that's the, yeah. So, all natural. So all this is natural produce. So when you come to Bulgaria, you come and buy from the local people, support the local people, and all this food is grown by these guys. I'll just show you how beautiful these peppers are. All this stuff is natural. Look, it's still got the dirt on them, but they're absolutely beautiful. These are all fresh and grown on the premises. There's Mari editing. Heading about if. You up, Mari? Yeah. More editing going around there.
More waiting.
More waiting.
I've had this thing on in this store, so we've had to come into a cafe. We've got no electric, okay? And so we've had to come into this cafe to come and sort out the video, render it, upload it. They've got no Wi-Fi here, but that's not a problem because we've got our own phones and we can, you know, hotspot it and we'll have the Wi-Fi, so that's not a massive issue. However, we've come in here to plug in, get some power, hopefully get this thing to render. We've got an hour till it shuts. This is saying an hour and 17 minutes. Unbelievable.
Not good. Let's have some milkshake.
Tastes alright, isn't it? This thing? Yeah, I tasted it. Tastes alright.
Fair.
I must be cautious.
No, this is 28 years old.
So guys, we have stopped in Gorna Oya Hotnitsa and we have literally been stormed in Kaufland. Stubby, hello. Hello. We have been stormed in the supermarket, Kaufland. Hi, Stubby, hello. Oh my gosh, this is a phenomenon. Bulgarian?
This one.
Okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, well, that's
So we're just getting some food in Gorna or Hotnitsa, and the car is literally surrounded by people. They want to take photos. We are in Bulgaria, as you know, and yeah, we've just arrived. So everyone has probably seen the yellow one online, and now they're seeing the blue one, which is just like, oh my god, yeah, crazy right now. But yeah, this is.
As we wrap up here in beautiful Bulgaria, we're on a mission to find inspiration for the ultimate adventure vehicle. With each stop, we're gathering ideas and picturing what our perfect ride could tackle next. Will it be as adaptable as Rich Boy, the boat car, or will it surprise us in ways we never expected? And we had a little surprise this week. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week as we go in search for an adventure.
Don't pretend you're sorry.